tiny house where we're staying for a couple of days. This is like the living area with a small sofa and the TV. This is the view that we have of the outside view. We have a tiny corner here. This is a very funny decorated house, I think, but it's very functional. It has everything inside that we need. Here is where we are. We have the sleeping area. And yeah, that's all the house. That's a shower place. Here we are. We found the park. The program is for big kids. Okay. And it will she'll get bored very soon. So first impressions of this city is very child friendly, lots of bicycles. I have a hard time to understand, because there are lanes for bicycles and they have priorities, and it's a bit, you need to get used to that. Otherwise, it's a beautiful city, terribly cold for this time of the year, very windy, but beautiful. Is like you look at that corner, there is a canal in there and there are boats, and we are so far here, we are far from the city center, and it's all very ordered and nice. And it is snack time. Emilia is having a waffle and dried fruit. And we are gonna go out again in the city center.
Weesperplein overstappen op lijn.
So we made it to the city center. It's full of people, and Emilia, luckily, she wants to stay in her pushchair because there are too many cars, she says. So I didn't brought them up with me, and I'm just hanging around. This is like a museum district, and I'm looking for Van Gogh Museum, but maybe I'm gonna go tomorrow because tomorrow's gonna rain, so we can do some activities indoor. Like 200 meters away from our bus stop, and look what we found. Here is beautiful. There's the Amsterdam written in there, and that's a museum. We are 10 minutes in the city center. It's raining so much, but Emilia is being kind to me. She's waiting. Wow. Of minutes later, and all is gone. I forgot it. This is amazing. So it has become quite windy, so I'm gonna return home now and eat dinner and probably go to a cafe with my husband. So yeah, that's our day. I have the most cooperative kid ever today. She's staying in the pushchair, just looking around, and she's happy. So that's cool. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
Papa ping pong.